part we have total 6 formulas. In these 6 formulas, they are asking one question for 3 marks. This is the important topic. The 6 formulas proofs and important. First one, prove that integration of dx by x square minus a square is equals to 1 by 2a into log mod of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Proof you say 1 by x square minus a square is equals to what I am writing 1 by, this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equals to what? A plus b into a minus b. So that this is equals to 1 by x plus a into x minus a. Next, what I am writing here? Multiply and divide with 2a. Multiply and divide with 2a. Next, this is equals to 1 by 2a as it is. A how written in 2a? A plus a I written. Next, adding and subtracting with x. These two steps are important. What we did here? Multiply and divide with 2a. Here, adding and subtracting with x. Right? This is equals to 1 by 2a x plus a. In these two terms, I am taking common minus. So what I am getting? Minus is common. So remaining plus x. Here plus a is there. We take the minus common. So that minus a we are getting. Denominator x plus a into x minus a as it is. Now you divide with each term. This is equals to 1 by 2a into x plus a by x plus a into x minus a. Which terms are cancelled here? X plus a are cancelled. Remaining what we are getting here? 1 by x minus a. That one I did. Minus x minus a by x plus a into x minus a. So here x minus a will cancel. What we are getting? 1 by x plus a. So next, I am applying integral on both sides. So integration of 1 by x square minus a square into dx is equals to 1 by 2a constant. So before integral, 1 by 2a into integration of 1 by x minus a minus 1 by x plus a into dx. So this is equals to 1 by 2a into, this is in the form of 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x is equals to what? Log mod x. So that this is equals to 1 by 2a into log of mod x minus a minus log mod x plus a. Both are in the form of integration of 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x is equals to what? Log mod x. So this is equals to this 1 by 2a. These are in the form of log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is equals to what? Log a by b. Log a minus log b is equals to what? Log a by b. So that this is equals to integration of dx by x square minus a square is equals to what? 1 by 2a into log of x minus a by x plus a plus c is the proof. Next, second question is prove that integration of dx by a square minus x square is equals to 1 by 2a into log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. So this one proof you say 1 by a square minus x square. So this is also in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So this is equals to a square minus b square a plus b into a minus b. Here also same method. So I am multiplying dividing with 2a. The next one here adding and subtracting with x. Adding and subtracting with x. So next one we divide with each term. Here x plus a get cancelled, remaining 1 by x minus 1 by a minus x term. A minus x. Next to a minus x by a minus x get cancelled, remaining 1 by a plus x. So we got this one. So this is equals to integration. This is the form of integration of 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x is equals to what? Log mod x. So log of a plus x. Next, this is also in the form of integration of 1 by x. That is equals to log mod x. But here x quotient is minus 1. So that the minus 1 we are writing in denominator. Why? Integration of f of x dx is equals to f of t plus c. F of x plus c. Then integration of f of a plus x plus b dx is equals to what? 1 by a into f of a plus b plus c. So that we can specify minus. Next to log a minus log b is equals to log a by b. That is equals to 1 by 2a into log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. This is the second one proof. Third one, prove that integration dx by x square plus a square is equals to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. Proof, let x is equals to a tan theta. Otherwise, x equals to a cot theta also we are getting an answer. So I am assuming here x is equals to a tan theta only. Derivative on both sides. X derivative dx equal to a into tan theta derivative secant square theta, theta derivative d theta. Now question integration of dx by x square plus a square is equals to integration of dx is equals to what? A secant square theta d theta. Next to x is equals to a tan theta, then x square is equals to what? A square tan square theta plus a square. That is equals to numerator as it is a secant square theta d theta. In denominator a square is common, so remaining tan square theta, a square is common, so remaining plus 1. Here a square get cancelled. That is remaining what? 1 by a. 1 by a constant before integral. That is integration of secant square theta d theta numerator. Denominator tan square theta plus 1 is equals to what? That is equal to secant square theta from trigonometric identities. Now secant square theta get cancelled. So that is equals to integration of 1 by a into d theta. 1 by a into integration of d theta is equals to what? Theta plus c. Integral constant plus c. What is the theta you see? What we are saying x is equals to a tan theta. Then tan theta is equals to what? X by a is taken out. So x by a. That is tan theta is equals to x by a. Theta is equals to what? Tan inverse of x by a. Theta equals to tan inverse of x by a. Substitute here. 1 by a into theta is equals to what? Tan inverse of x by a plus. That is integration of 1 by x square plus a square into dx is equals to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. This is the proof of third. Now fourth question. Prove that integration of dx by under root of a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse of x by a plus c. This one. Otherwise, this is equal to minus cos inverse of x by a plus c also we are getting. So here x is equal to a sin theta I am assuming. Here x is equal to what I am assuming? A sin theta. If in the question this is equal to prove that minus cos inverse of x by a plus c means you need to assume x is equal to a cos theta. Okay. Now you see x is equal to a sin theta I am assuming. Derivative on both sides. X derivative dx equals to a into sin theta derivative cos theta and theta derivative d theta. Now question integration of dx by under root of a square minus x square is equals to integration of dx is equals to what? A cos theta d theta d theta. Denominator square root of a square as it is minus x square is equals to what? X is equals to a sin theta. Next then x square is equal to a square sin square. Numerator a cos theta d theta as it is. In denominator square root of here a square is common. In square root a square is common. So what we are getting remaining here 1 minus sin square theta. That is equal to integration of a cos theta d theta. Here a square into square root of a square into 1 minus sin square theta is equal to what? Cos square theta from trigonometric identity. So this is equal to numerator as it is a cos theta d theta. Denominator you see square root get cancelled. So then what we are getting? A cos theta. So a cos theta get cancelled. What remaining integration of d theta. Integration of d theta is equal to what? Theta plus constant constant c. So what we are saying x is equal to a sin theta we are saying. So that sin theta is equal to what? X by a. Theta is equal to what? Sin inverse of x by a. You substitute here. Theta in place of theta, sin inverse of x by a plus c. Therefore, integration of 1 by under root of x square minus x square into dx is equal to sin inverse of x by a plus c. This is the fourth one answer. Fifth one, prove that integration of dx by square root of x square minus a square is equal to log mod of x plus under root of a square minus x square plus. So for this proof, you assume x is equal to a secant theta or a cosecant theta. Here I am assuming x is equal to a secant theta. So derivative on both sides x derivative dx equals to a into secant derivative secant theta tan theta and theta derivative d theta. Now integration of dx by square root of x square minus a square is equals to integration of dx is equals to a secant theta tan theta d theta. And x is equals to what was a secant theta. So x square is equal to what? A square secant square theta minus a square as it is. Next, that is equal to integration of numerator same idea. In denominator square root, in square root a square is common. So remaining what? Secant square theta minus 1. That is equal to integration of numerator as it is written. Integrate square root of a square into secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta from trigonometric ideas. Now this is equal to integration of numerator as it is written a secant theta tan theta d theta. So here square root get cancelled, remaining a tan theta guaranteed. Here a get cancelled, tan theta get cancelled. Remaining integration of secant theta d theta. What is the formula? Integration of secant theta is equal to log mod secant theta plus tan theta plus. That is equal to log mod of secant theta as it is plus tan theta is equal to from trigonometric identity what I written secant square theta minus 1 under root plus. Next to x is equal to what? A secant theta as well. So secant theta is equal to what? X by a. So that is equal to log mod of in place of secant theta I substituted x by a. Plus secant square theta is the square root. So square root of x secant theta is equal to x by a. Secant square theta is equal to x square minus x square by a square minus 1 as it is. That is equal to log mod of x plus. So this is equal to constant I am assuming c1. So x plus LCM a square is LCM square root of x square 1 into a square a square plus integral constant to I am assuming here c1 constant. C is the constant, c1 is the constant. Here I am assuming c1. So this is equal to log mod of x plus x square minus a square I written. Here square root of a square is equal to a. Square root of a square is equal to what? A. So here is there. Here square root after the square applying square root we are getting a. So that a is LCM. What is the numerator now? X plus under root of x square plus x square minus a square. So this is in the form of log of a by b. Log a by b formula log a minus log b. So log of x plus under root of x square minus a square minus log a plus c1. Next this is equal to log of x plus under root of x square minus a square. This minus log a plus c1 is equal to I am assuming c. This minus log a plus c1 is equal to what I am assuming c. Where c what is the c? Minus log a plus. So this is the proof of fifth one. Next last question is the sixth question. Prove that integration of dx by square root of x square plus a square is equal to log mod x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. So proof, let x is equal to a tan theta. Otherwise we assume x is equal to a cot theta, we will get the answer. Here I am assuming x is equal to a tan theta. Derivative on both sides. Next x derivative dx equals to a into tan theta derivative secant square theta and theta derivative what? D theta. Now integration of dx by square root of x square plus a square equals to integration of dx is equal to what? A secant square theta d theta. In square denominator square root of x square is equal to a square tan square theta plus a square as it is. Next numerator integration of a into secant square theta d theta as it is. In denominator square root a square is common. So in square root a square is common. So square root of a square common, remaining tan square theta, remaining plus 1. So that is equal to numerator as it is here. In denominator square root of a square. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta from the trigonometric identities. So that is equal to integration of numerator again as it is. Denominator square root of a square is equal to a. Square root of secant square theta is equal to secant theta. So a get cancelled, secant theta square get cancelled. What is the remaining integration of secant theta d theta? That is integration of secant theta d theta. Integration of secant theta d theta. What is the formula integration of secant theta? That is equal to log mod secant theta plus tan theta plus integral constant plus c1 So that is equal to log of first term written tan theta, later I written secant theta plus c. So tan theta, log mod tan theta plus secant theta is equal to what? square root of tan square theta plus 1 from trigonometric identity. X is equals to what? A tan theta. Next to tan theta is equals to what? X pi. You substitute in place of tan theta x pi. That is equals to log mod of x by a plus tan square theta is equals to x square by a square plus 1 plus integral constant into c. That is equals to log mod x by a plus here a square is LCM. In square root a square is LCM. So x square plus 1 into a square is a square. So under root of a square value what? Under root of a square a. Here denominator a. So that a is the LCM. That is equals to log mod x plus x square plus a square by a plus c1. This is in the form of log a by b. So that is equals to log a by b formula log a minus log b. So log of x plus under root of x square plus a square minus log a plus c1. Next that is equals to log of x plus under root of x square plus a square plus this minus log a plus c1 I am assuming c. So that is plus. What is the c? Where c is minus log a plus c. This is the proof of sixth one. These 1 to 6, these 6 formulas are very important. From these 6 formulas they are asking on 3 marks question. And application of these 6 formulas also important for examination and JEE mains and CET levels. These are important.